The repair shop returned to screens on Wednesday evening when BBC viewers were introduced to a guest named Martin Jochman, who brought in a broken sculpture of his late mother Vera Skodova. Vera befriended a fellow ceramics student in Czechoslovakia called Milo Saxman when she was 27, and he made the plaster of Paris study in 1947. Martin, 73, said, "She had a very colourful and interesting life, but also quite tragic." His mother was sent to work in a munitions factory in Berlin at the start of the Second World War. She planned to escape to Switzerland with two male friends, but they were caught crossing the border and her two friends were shot dead. The repair shop expert opens up on loss as she pays tribute to co-star/latest/BBC. She was sentenced to life in prison and she was freed in 1945, and she walked all the way to Prague. "I'm sure it affected her quite a lot, but she was very brave." Later down the line, the sculpture got smashed and Martin was hoping presenter Jay Blades and his team could repair it. Kirsten Ramsay got to work making plaster and painting it to match the face, while Will Kirk created a new wooden stand for it. When Martin returned to the barn, he was overcome with emotion when Kirsten showed him the sculpture in one piece. Coronation Street fans gobsmacked by Charlotte Jordan's real accent don't miss. The repair shop expert opens up on loss as she pays tribute to co-star. Insight: The repair shop expert pays tribute to really nice King Charles III. Update: Jay Blades' estranged dad tried to take credit for his success in Last Call's latest, "Oh my, it's fantastic," he cried. "I last saw my mother in 1999 before she died and it's such a wonderful memory. She was 27 years old and she was so beautiful." Kirsten was almost lost for words as Martin tearfully said, "It brings back so many memories. I feel like I've been taken back to my childhood. This is exactly how I remember it, including the pedestal which was exactly like that and the way you have made out the part which was missing. The result is exactly how it should be." Kirsten said restoring the sculpture had been an absolute pleasure as Martin composed himself after the emotional reveal. The repair shop fans praised Kristen's skills on Twitter, with Phil Ray penning, "Kristen is a bloody genius." #The repair shop. Stella shared, "Goodness, Kirsten is so very skilled, isn't she? That sculpture looked amazing." #The repair shop. The repair shop continues next Wednesday at 8 p.m. on BBC One.